Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing great. My name is Gaurash. I'm back with about 4 to 5 hot stocks to watch for today. So let's get started for today, guys. The first stock, the name of the company is Exicure Inc. Ticker symbol is XCUR. Pre-market price is 0.133. It is up by about 25% today. Before us volume is 9.3 million for this stock. The news for this stock that came in yesterday after the market closed at 7:21 p.m. was that Exicure announces 5 million raise in private placement transaction priced at market premium. So they have announced that they are agreeing to sell 26 million shares of its common stock at a purchase price of 0.1937 to certain accredited investors in a private placement in public financing. So this was the news that came in yesterday after the market closed, and as you can see, it started rising from the start in the at 4 a.m. after the in the pre-market hours, and then it reached till 0.16, and now it is trading at around 0.133. So this is the first stock to watch as there's a huge volume into this stock. Second stock, name of the company is Veru Inc. Veru Inc. and ticker symbol is Veru. Pre-market price is 9.54. It is up about 23% today. Before us volume is 9 million. News for this stock was that FDA states that Veru should submit request for emergency use authorization based on positive efficacy and safety data from the phase 3 clinical trial. So for COVID-19 patients, so they have developed a drug, and FDA has requested them to issue an emergency use authorization for this drug. So this news came in today morning at 6:30 a.m. and people have started watching this stock, and it went up from around 7.67 in the morning to around $10 and $10.5, and now it is trading at around $9.5. So this is the second stock to watch, guys. Third stock, name of the company is Desktop Metal. Ticker symbol is DM. Pre-market price is 1.46. It is up by about 10% today. Before us volume is 1.85 million. News for this stock came in yesterday after the market closed at around 11:12 p.m. So the news for this stock was that Desktop Metal prices offering of 100 million aggregate principal amount of 6 convertible senior notes due 2027 in a private offering to persons reasonably believed to be qualified institutional buyers, and the issuance and the sale of the notes are scheduled to settle on May 13. So on May 13 this transaction will be settled, and this was the news that came in yesterday after the market close, and people watched this stock in the morning, but right now it is trading below, so it is at 1.45. This is the third stock to watch. The fourth stock, name of the company is Swch Inc. Ticker symbol is SWCH. Pre-market price is $33. Before us volume is 4.4 million for this stock. News for this stock was that Switch, after digital bridge buyout deal valued at 11 billion including the debt. So this stock rallied after digital bridge is going to buy this company for $11 billion. So that was the news that came in today morning at 7:57 a.m. And after this news came out, you can see there's a hike in price. This is not a penny stock, but this was a good news that I liked. That's why I just wanted to put it out there. So this was the fourth stock. Last stock to watch for today. Name of the company is Lithium Li Auto, and ticker symbol is LI. Pre-market price is $20. Before us volume is 1.2 million for this stock. News for this stock is that Lithium Auto shares jump after strong first quarter earnings result and second quarter guidance. So this was the news that came in today morning at 12:27 a.m. and after this news came out, you can see it increased by around till around $22, and now it is trading at around 20.79. So this is the last stock to watch, guys. These are all the stocks that I'll be watching for today. I hope you're liking my videos, and hope you're earning some profits from them. But right now, as you can see, the market here, the futures, everything is in the red. So just keep watching the stocks. Don't invest your money directly into it. Keep a close eye on how the market is doing, and then only put your money into the stocks. So these are all the penny stocks, and these are the most riskier stocks as these are penny stocks. So keep that in mind and book your profits for 10 to 15% of gains and exit as soon as possible, because every time I have seen that Whenever a penny stock rises because of the volume, it tends to go down after some time, like within 15 to 20 minutes after its gain. So that is why I always say that book your profits for 10 to 15% of gains, and exit your position as soon as possible. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you're liking my videos. Hope you're earning some profits from them. If you are getting any profits, or if you are getting any good knowledge about how to pick up stocks or how to watch stocks on the news, so this is the channel to subscribe to. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you tomorrow.